In this video, I would like to show you how to look more like a software engineer. Over the last couple of years, I've been reviewing many of my students' resume. And one of the things that I notice is that many of them do not transfer the appearance of a software engineer. In this video, I would give you an example and also show you how to fix it. And let's start. In this example, now shown on the screen, you can see how the student does not transfer in all of the bullets that he is a software engineer. You can see that some of the bullets are not really related and transfer more of a business intelligence type of experience. So what we're going to do? We're going to delete and expand. This is the corrected example that I worked with the student. As you can see, I took one of the bullets and I've extended it to be all of the bullets here. The benefit from this is that we took the part of the experience that was relevant for software engineering and expanded it, making the student looks like a much more compelling candidate for the position while still maintaining the integrity of what was said. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. In addition, please consider visit Application Owl. Application Owl is a new venture that I started that enable students and other people looking for a position in the software space to get critique on the resume. And in addition, you will get a position that we think might be a good match for you. Try it out at Application Owl. Thank you for joining.